Alright guys, here's a video of this DeLonghi DE500P dehumidifier pump system. Its restoration is finished. Here's what it looks like after 3 cans of spray paint went on it. You can finally see the button display now, which you didn't get to see in the last video. Sorry about that. You can see is this inverted? No, it's not. Yeah, you can see how all the buttons work. Yeah. I'm going to be using this unit. It's gonna go right here, and I'm gonna hide all these wires and stuff instead of being on a corner right there. Over here, the air conditioner leaks, and that's a problem. Well, sometimes it does, but it doesn't anymore. But I think it'd be helpful there. So let's just run it. Oh yes, the ground thing came off. Yeah, I'm still plugging in. Let's reduce that a little bit. Where's the button? Here it is. Right, 50, whatever that is. My camera quality is too low. Alright, timer, on button. So we'll turn it on. I said turn it on. Alright, we have to pick our fan speed. High speed, and of course the pump is gonna just be on. So let's that's weird. Mode. Right, I don't know what mode that's. Mode again. Okay, operating this is something that I honestly don't know. This is so strange. It should turn on. It's not. Okay. Turn off the home. There you go. Of course, that air coming out smells like spray paint, obviously. Of course, the pump, that's gonna stay on, and Celsius, Fahrenheit, I don't know, it's Fahrenheit, I think, no, that's Celsius. I'll just leave it on Celsius, and change the fan speed. Believe it or not, it doesn't let me do that on this mode. Yeah, this one is the yellow side. This side here was extremely yellow. Filter for the unit right there. Yeah. Thanks for watching. This was FanCat 2008. Expect my name to be changed soon. Bye.